Hey everyone. So today we start the lecture 3, that is installation of Python. We will see the installation of Python in this lecture. To run the programs which we'll cover in this course, you will need to install the Python. You can download the latest version of Python from this website, that is www.python.org. After that, you have to go to the downloads section, and here you can see that the latest available version of Python is 3.8.3. Python is also available for Mac, Linux, and several other platforms. But we are currently running on Windows operating system. Therefore, we download Python for Windows OS. Once you have downloaded the Python installer, you should execute it like this. It is highly recommended that you check both the options at the bottom of the screen, Install Launcher for all users, and Add Python 3.8 to path. Once you have done, click Install Now. Next, Windows will prompt you with a message such as, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes to proceed with the installation. Okay. So when the installation has finished, you will see the message Setup was successful. Click the Close button to exit the installer. This is the simple installation process of Python.